What's up, my people? Welcome to my video. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping in today. This video, little overview, I'm gonna teach you the way that I meal prep. It's a very easy way, but I found that this is the best way to do it because you get so much variety and it's super easy and simple to do. So I wanted to share that with you. The second thing I want to talk about today is we're in a very strange time right now. Obviously, coronavirus is going around and the world seems like it's shutting down. There's stores shutting down, businesses closing, gyms are closing nationwide. And so in light of this very strange and weird time, I decided that I will be giving away my Corio Bikini Challenge 2.0 at-home training program and nutrition plan for free to everybody just to get them through this time. I hate the thought of this virus like putting a pause on our fitness goals and our fitness journeys, and so we can totally stay fit and healthy at home. We can do our workouts at home. I have all the tools, so why not share that with you? This is a small way that I can help alleviate some stress because like I was at the gym just a few days ago and I was like, dang, it would suck if I couldn't come to the gym. I know that's what a lot of people are dealing with right now. So this is my small way of saying, just blessing you with something that hopefully makes your life less stressful and gives you peace, as well as raises your mood every day because you're going to work out at home. People love this program, so I will put all the details below, first line in the description box. So you can grab that download at any time, totally for free. This is the at-home training and nutrition plan. So without further ado, let me take you over to my kitchen and we will go through the way that I meal prep. By the way, guys, for the at-home program, the recommended equipment list, not required, but recommended. All of the items you can totally buy on Amazon, and I actually created an Amazon shop with all my recommends, so you can just click on the link and it'll take you right there and you can order whatever equipment you don't have at home. Not necessary again, but you'll have better workouts if you get just the basics. And I think these are good items to have in your home anyway, like just a few dumbbells, an exercise like resistance band. Anyway, the list is there, so when you download the program, you'll be given the link to shop the equipment list as well. I can't breathe. Whew. Oh my gosh, guys, isn't this time crazy? It's crazy. And also, I have a 108-year-old grandpa. God bless him. Poor thing, he took a fall a few days ago and had to spend some time in the hospital. He's fine. He's pulling through, but like, really, Grandpa, this is the worst time. The worst time you could be stuck in the hospital. They took him home today, but today when my dad went to go like pick him up to take him home, the person across the hall from him, the room, had coronavirus. I'm like, get him out of there immediately, please. Oh my God. Anyway, my thoughts go out to you if you have the virus, or if anybody you know has the virus. Just be extra careful, guys. Like, be extra safe. It's not worth the risk, especially if you have more vulnerable people in your circle, like grandparents and maybe somebody who has health issues. Anyway, no need to panic, but better to be on the safe side, I think. And I hope that this is a wake-up call for everybody to take their health seriously. And I hope that people start to really take better care of themselves after this whole thing is over. Better health means better immune systems, stronger bodies to fight off any disease like this. Okay, anyways, back to the video. So, the way that I like to meal prep, let's do it. Okay, welcome to my kitchen. So, the way that I like to meal prep, I like to think about things in categories. So, I always prep these three categories: proteins, carbs, vegetables. And then you have like your spin-off things like fruits and maybe some sauces and stuff like that. The way that I do it each week is I buy the protein that I want to eat that week. So this week I have ground turkey and chicken, and I also have tuna, cans of tuna, but I obviously don't prep that, it's just in a can. Anyway, so I cook all the meat that I want to eat that week in advance. So I cooked all of my ground turkey, I put it in a big Tupperware like this in the fridge, just cooked, ready to go. I cooked all my chicken, Same thing, put it in a Tupperware in the fridge, ready to go. Just grilled chicken breast plain and ground turkey plain. I bought some eggs. This is what I usually buy. And then I put yogurt, non-fat Greek yogurt, in this category as well because it's super high in protein. So I prep all my proteins, put them in Tupperware in the fridge. Then I get my carbs. I prep my carbs. So right now I have some rice that I pre-cooked. I have some potatoes, which I have not cooked yet, but I should bake these or roast them in the oven. And then I also have some pasta, not much left. It's the end of the week. So I have some pasta in here that I also pre-cooked, and I just load those in the fridge. So right now you open my fridge, I have cooked protein, I have cooked carbs in different containers. Then you move to the vegetables. This is where I don't cook them in advance because I feel like when you cook veggies in advance, sometimes they get soggy and gross and you don't want to eat them. So I usually prep all of a bunch of sweet onion or yellow onion, and then I usually buy some just, this changes all the time, but this time I have some bell peppers, and I bought a bag of spinach, and I bought a salad kit, random vegetables like that. So when I go to eat a meal, I work from home, so I have the freedom and a little bit of time to like prepare a meal. I don't have to pre-prepare them in little Tupperwares and take them to work with me. Since I work from home, I have that luxury. But that means I have the luxury to get creative with my meals. So for example, the meal that I'm gonna eat right now, which I wanted to show y'all. So I just prepared this meal before I started filming. It's just a little bit of pasta, and by the way, this is high protein pasta. Barilla makes a protein plus pasta, and it has like 10 to 20 grams of protein in it. How awesome is that? So I have pasta in here. I have ground turkey for protein. I sauteed up some spinach, and I also sauteed some of those chopped onions and bell peppers, and I threw some green chili in there as well, a little bit of olive oil and some seasoning, and bam, I have this amazing pasta dish. That is not all, folks. Yesterday, I also made a fried rice creation, and it had, I just used the rice that I pre-prepped. I cut a bunch of chicken up, which was already cooked, threw it in the pan with some oil, some olive oil, some salt, and a little bit of chopped up veggies, which I had already chopped up in advance with the onion, scrambled an egg in there, seasoned it up, and I had bam, fresh fried rice. And it was very healthy because I have control of all the ingredients that is going in there. So I just want to remind you that healthy food does not have to be boring. It just takes a little bit of forethought, a little bit of pre-planning, planning ahead, prepping the food that takes the longest time to cook so you're not stuck in the kitchen doing stuff all day. And then it's just a little whip it up together for a few minutes, and like you have this amazing, fresh, healthy meal that doesn't have to be so boring, like a bro style diet of like broccoli, chicken, rice. Blech, so boring. I like to keep it fresh and fun. I love to eat. I love flavors and food and variety, and eating healthy does not have to be boring or hard or gross. Just wanted to remind you. So before I dig into this, I do want to say that some of y'all know this, but the Chobani non-fat plain Greek yogurt is a wonderful substitute for sour cream. It's also, like, I love to make the high protein dip with ground turkey, the yogurt, and then I also throw some green chili in there, and it makes it like this creamy, high protein, delicious dip that I eat with chips. It's so unbelievable, you guys. It is so freaking good. I also love eggs. I do eat whole eggs. I didn't used to when I was prepping, and I regret it. I love eating whole eggs, and I also love, I love making for breakfast, like breakfast scrambles with chopped up potatoes, diced onion, and I saute that up and get it all nice and crunchy. Maybe I'll throw some spinach in there, and then a few eggs or chicken sausage. Something like that. So when you're meal prepping and when you're buying food, if you're trying to meal prep, think about your categories. Each meal should have protein, carbs, and vegetables, and a healthy fat. You know, healthy fat meaning avocado, olive oil, yolk from the egg, stuff like that. Salmon is really great for healthy fats. I don't mean like, or peanut butter. Peanut butter is a great option. I do eat oatmeal too. My friend is here. Guys, Victoria, bless her heart, cannot, she can't find toilet paper. So yes. Sharing is caring. I got you, girl.
I love you so much.
I love you too. Sorry. Oh no, human contact. Just kidding, we're fine.
Yes.
Anyway, I'm recording a meal prep video.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah, but I'm trying to save you with the toilet paper.
Thank you.
Share your toilet paper, people.
Share your toilet paper.
Come on. Nice. Okay, love ya. So funny, people. What is it with toilet paper? Y'all are worried about wiping your butt right now? Come on. Whew. I don't even know what I was saying. Oh, the categories. Think about it in categories. You have your protein, your carbs, your healthy fat, your veggies. Try to eat veggies with every meal, and if you cannot do that, add something like the vegan reds and greens drink from 1UP just to make sure you get those micronutrients and vitamins in. If you're sitting at home waiting through this coronavirus thing, unable to work, maybe take this time and really evaluate your fitness and do the at-home program and like really look at your nutrition and plan out how you can meal prep and how you can do better with your fitness, you know, once things pick up again. Because you have this like amazing time for yourself now. So time to check in with yourself, see, make good smart goals for yourself and really just kind of plan for the next few months and make the most of it and stay with the...
Have you ever had a dream that you had?
Tell your family and friends that you love them and just really use this time to benefit yourself in your life. That's my advice. Grab that ebook, download the free at-home program if you can. The link is below and we will all do it together. Share it with someone. That's it from me and Simba. Oh, hey, be nice. Be nice. Anyway, guys, stay safe, stay healthy, share your toilet paper, and I'll catch you guys soon.